Great Sage!
Great Sage!
Great Sage!
Great Sage!
Great
Great
Sage!
Sage!
Great Sage!
Great Sage!
Great Sage!
Great Sage!
Great Sage!
Great Sage! These are his official robes.
But where is he?
You...
Sisters, let's search separately.
All right.
Great Sage!
Great Sage!
Great
Great
Sage!
Sage!
Great Sage! Great Sage!
No.
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 Have you found him?
No, I haven't.
Since we can't find him, let's go pick the peaches first.
You can't.
If we're late and the Queen Mother gets angry, will you take the blame?
Please, don't be angry, fairies. You pick the peaches. I'll inform the Great Sage when I find him.
All right, go and pick the peaches. Look, there's a big red peach.
Let me.
Let me. Huh?
Who are you? How dare you steal the peaches?
Great Sage, today the Queen Mother is holding a peach banquet, and she asked us to pick peaches here.
Oh. Hmm? Tell me then, who did the Queen Mother invite? Hmm?
The Buddha of the Western Heaven, the 500 Arhats,
满知水三门茶人拎基 Bodhisattva.
Star-Lords of the constellation.
the Great Immortal Genuine,
True man monad.
Barefoot Immortal,
All kinds of gods.
All kinds of gods? Did she invite the Great Sage equaling heaven?
No, she didn't.
What? Go on, picking the peaches then.
What great sage equaling heaven?
He's just a monkey.
This little boy wants to be invited.
Please. Barefoot Immortal, where are you going?
The Queen Mother invited me to attend the peach banquet.
Oh? The Jade Emperor sent me to tell the guests to go to the Hall of Universal Brightness for a ceremony before the feast, huh?
But they're usually held at the Jade Pool. Why?
Well, sir, this year the custom has changed.
Thanks for telling me. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Hey. Where's the mouth? So much fresh fruit. Oh, it's kind of heavy. I'll take some back for my monkeys. Come on. Come. The Tushita Palace? Oh, how did I get to Lord Loud's Golden Pill workshop? Open the door! Open the door! Where'd the old man go? Oh? Huh?
What? Why are they so small? Your Majesty, the great sage equaling heaven has eaten all the big peaches. Huh?
Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Something's wrong!
Eat. I'll get you.
What? What's going on?
What's going on?
What's happening?
This went too far.
Your Majesty, just now the dirty baboon tricked me into going to the Hall of Universal Brightness. He must have gone to ruin the peach banquet.
That is outrageous.
No! My golden pills!
That dirty ape! He destroyed the peach banquet and stole the golden pills. He won't get away with it. Li Jing,
Yes.
send 100,000 soldiers to find and kill that beast.
Yes.
Children, come, fight them!
Where are you going, demon monkey?
Reporting! Your Majesty, that monkey is so powerful that the Heavenly King won't last long.
100,000 heavenly soldiers can't kill him? Then, gentlemen, do you know of any reinforcements to handle this?
Your Majesty! Your Majesty, Bodhisattva Guanyin of the Southern Seas has come.
Ask her in.
I'd like to recommend a general.
Who is it?
He is the true Lord Erlang.
So, little general, are you here to surrender and join me or what?
I'm the nephew of the Jade Emperor Erlang. I'm here to arrest you.
Oh? The Jade Emperor's sister longed for the mortal world and married a Mr. Yang. They had a boy. The boy grew up, he split the mountain and saved his mother, huh? Are you that boy?
Hey! Save it! This temple must be the demon monkey. I'll destroy it!
Where has the demon monkey gone? Your Majesty, the demon monkey flew away.
Bring liquor.
Yes, yes.
And food.
Yes, yes.
Put it down.
Yes. Show him the letters. There are many letters. Please have a look, Master. Please have a
Please.
look, Master. I have some more here.
Get away. Read it for me.
Yes, yes.
Master, this is the Zhao family asking for a son.
This is from the Chen
And
family.
this is from the sons.
And asking for an,
God, Arlong, your temple is mine now.
Where are you going, dirty ape?
Let me give him a hand.
What weapon do you have?
What's this?
The diamond ring. I use it to protect myself. It is invulnerable and always accurate. Huh?
Be quick! Be quick!
Fine.
We'll have the demon monkey beheaded soon. Why don't you stay and watch with us?
I will take my leave.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Rise, ministers.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, the ape has been sent to Demon Beheading Tower.
Behead.
Behead him!
Behead him!
Behead him! Behead him!
Burn the monkey.
You jade fool! Try everything you've got!
Strike him with lightning. Well,
Your Majesty, the demon monkey has eaten celestial peaches and golden pills. He's now invulnerable. Let me put him into my 8 telegrams furnace. I'll burn him in fire for 49 days. He won't survive that. Your Majesty.
good.
Master, the fire has been burning for more than 40 days. The demon monkey must be ashes by now.
That demon monkey stole the peaches and my golden pills. He cannot be allowed to live.
Oh man, so laugh too soon. I'm
still alive.
Master, where is he died?
Fan the fire! Fan the fire! Fan! Harder!
Oh man, the smoke is hurting my eyes. Let me out, or I'll destroy.
Master, what should we do?
Damn, Abe. I'll use 3 essence fire. Come with me.
Yes.
It's time. Open the furnace.
威风凛凛，哈哈哈，大声齐天，说什么艰险磨难，怕什么鬼怪神仙，车开如意金箍棒，打他个地府天也翻，车开如意金箍棒，打他个地府。一腔热血，哈哈哈，一身胆，不知退后，哈哈哈，总向前。